Hello, YouTube. This is Joe923, or as you other know us. My Jones Gym. Yeah. We're talking like this because my moms are in the other room and they hear us swear. They're gonna get the machine gun and they said they're gonna blow our balls off. So we need to talk like this, okay? So yeah. So we're gonna click start here.
Give me that motherfucking microphone. Hey guys, it's me, Jimmy Jones, the best guy in the world at helicopter. Fuck! Here we go again. Yes.
Keep your voice down, Jimmy.
Okay, sorry. That's just my mom. Fuck! Here we go again. Justice. Oh, God. Motherfucking fucker. Fucker. Here we go. Click. I'm the best at this motherfucking game. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. Yes. Fucker. We can't go on the walls. That sucks, monkey turd. Oh, we can't go down the bottom either. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yeah.
Okay.
That motherfucking microphone.
Made by. I'm saying it this time, Jimmy. Made by Joel.
Never! Made by Joel! 2923. Narrated by me, Jimmy Jones, R. Bar 2923 or 2623, whatever. Please subscribe to our motherfucking videos. Now. Peace out, you motherfuckers.